Hello everyone, how to solve this problem for the values of a if we have a multiplied by a multiplied by a divided by a plus a plus a plus a is equals to 16, and we solve this problem for all the values of a. So here we need to find all the roots of this equation. So I hope so you like this method, but if you have any other method in your mind, so please don't hesitate to write this method into the comment section. So the very first thing we are going to do is, here first you see that this a is multiplied by 4 times and all of these a's are exponent is 1. So we use the exponential law and we add all of these exponents, and it will be written as a to the power of 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 divided by, here you see that these a's are added by 4 times, so that we add the coefficients of these terms. So the coefficient of all of these terms are 1, so we add it by 4 times and it will becomes 4 times of a is equals to 16. And further in the next step we need more simplifications, and it will be written as, we have this is a to the power of, this is 1 is added by 4 times, becomes a to the power of 4 divided by, this will becomes 4 times of a is equals to 16. And further in the next step, you see here we just use the exponential law and we move the exponent from numerator to the denominator side, and here we apply this law. If we have a to the power of m divided by a to the power of n is equals to a to the power of m minus n. So according to this rule, we just move this exponent to the upsides, and it will be written as a to the power of 4 minus 1 divided by 4 is equals to 16. And further here we need to move this 4 to the right hand side, and when we move this into the right hand side, it will be written as, here you get 4 minus 1 becomes 3, and 4 times of 16 is equals to 64. So here we just move the 64 into the left hand side, and it will be written as a cubed minus 64 is equals to 0. So this equation will becomes in cubic form, and here we rewrite this equation as into the form of cubes. We have, this is a cubed minus, we write the 64 as 4 cubed, and this whole equation is equals to 0. So here we use this nice this cubic law. You know about that. If we have x cubed minus y cubed is equals to x minus y times of x square plus xy plus y square. So we use this nice cubic law, and here you see that the base of this term is our x and the base of this term is our y. So we just substitute these two values of x and y into the below formula, and we write our above equation as in this form. So it will be written as, the value of the value of x is a, we substitute it here, and the value of y is b is 4, and this is x square, so x is a becomes a square. This is xy, the value of x is a and y is 4 plus y square, so y is 4 square, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And further in the next step we need to divide this equation into the two cases. The first case is we write a minus 4 is equals to 0, and the second case is we write a square plus 4a plus this 4 square becomes 16, and this whole equation is equals to 0. So from here we easily get the value of a is equals to 4. This is the first root of the given equation. And now here, in order to find the other roots, we need to solve this quadratic equation, and you know about that there are three methods to solve the quadratic equation. The first one is factorization method, second one is completing square method, and third one is by applying the quadratic formula. So here first we need to write the coefficients of this equation, and its coefficients are capital A is equals to 1, b is equals to 4, and c is equals to 16, and we state the quadratic formula as x is equals to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4 times of ac divided by 2 times of a. So this is the our quadratic formula, and now here we need to substitute the values of a, b and c in this formula. So after substituting all of these values, it will becomes the value of b is 4. It will becomes minus 4 plus minus square root of b square. B is 4 square minus 4 times of a is 1 and c is 16, and it is divided by 2 times of a, and here our a is equals to 1. So further in the next step we have a is equals to minus 4 plus minus square root of this is 4 square, and 4 square becomes 16, minus here we have this is 4 multiplied by 16, and it is divided by 2 times of 1 is equals to 2. And further in the next step we have a is equals to minus 4 plus minus, here we need to take common 16 inside the square root sign. After taking common this, we get here a 1 minus 4 square root, and it is divided by 2. So further we need more simplifications, and here we get a is equals to minus 4 plus minus. Here we know that square root of 16 becomes 4 into square root of 1 minus 4, and we know that 1 minus 4 is equals to minus 3, and it is divided by 2. And further in the next step we need to break this fraction, and when we break this fraction it will be written as minus 4 divided by 2 plus minus 4 times. Here we need to apply square root separately on both of these values, and we apply square root on 3 and square root on minus 1, and it is divided by 2. And further in the next step here we need more simplifications, and you see here this is 2 times of 2 becomes 4, and we will get here a is equals to minus 2 plus minus this is also 2 times of 2 is 4, and we obtain here 2 times of square root of 3, and here we know that square root of minus 1 is equals to iota. So these are the other two complex roots of the given equation. So further or finally we have there are 3 roots of the given equation in which these two roots are complex roots, and a is equals to 4 be the one real root of the given equation. So these are the 3 roots, and this is the our final answer of this question. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.